So carefully remove the pin, put it aside. With two hands, remove the hands. Now range number 11. Okay, so the mechanism is removed. I'm gonna send you new mechanism. It's different, it's for different hands. So the hands are gonna be like this. Okay, so most likely this washer won't come off, so let it stay. If it comes off, you'll put it back on. So now find number 12. You have Jewish clock, so it should be 12 in Jewish letters.
You mean this pointer, the hole should be on
Right.
on 12. So whatever the letter is there, put a 12.
Okay, so actually it did come off, so I just put it back on. Now you push it in. You need to line up the hole with 12. Okay. Now you put back the washer. And make sure this is lined up. Hold it.
And do it carefully with that so it doesn't scratch.
Right.
The
So that's why you
surface.
have the washer here. Don't be afraid to tighten it. Because you don't want this to rotate, so it needs to
So the
hold tight.
mechanism should still, should be very
Right.
stable, right?
So the mechanism should be stable. So now you have two hands. I'm not gonna take the protective tape, but from here you just need to take protective tape.
You can peel it now, so you can so they can see a little bit.
So see,
So you can just remove it. It's a
Remove it.
protective tape.
Yeah.
Yes.
so then you use two fingers, line up with 12, push it down all the way using two fingers. Now same with this one, you remove protective tape and then just put it with one finger, push it. When you feel this end touches your finger, stop it.
Hold on. I want to show them something. So they look parallel to each other,
Yeah.
like this, with a little bit of a little space.
If they don't look parallel, just twiggle it a little bit, but they should be parallel. Okay. So then do not use the same pin. I'm gonna send you pin for this mechanism. This pin is not gonna
Work for that one.
work for this one. So, and you push the pin in. That's it. And then you adjust the time
Not with your fingers.
Yeah.
Not.
using
Okay, that's how you set up the
Yeah.
time. So in other words,
and make sure they are parallel.
yeah, they have to be parallel this way.
Okay.
And again, just a reminder, everybody has tendency to fix the time, pushing the hands.
Yeah, because
Do not.
if you do that, look at this. Then
That's it.
it might come off. It didn't come off
Which
because
probably
it's
happens
a
already.
different mechanism, so it's a little bit tighter, but it will come off. So in this case, you just have to carefully take it out, take this one out, and put it slightly back in.
Okay? If
That's it.
this video is helping, which it should be, then we're happy. Please let us know what happens